Guys, I stole Ryan's camera. Psych! I am Ryan with messy hair because I had to wear this hat because it's freezing cold. I've got another member with me, but his face is not allowed to be revealed on the camera, so I'm sorry about that, but I think his voice is.
Yep.
Yep, you just heard him. Say something. Just say something. Just say hi. Yeah, there, done. Yeah, so we're basically telling you this story. We heard something in this dark place. Everyone's talking because it's like a football place. Look there, like a football place. Yeah, I nearly showed him. I didn't. And we down there. Wait, I can't. Down there with that dark place. There's gates there. We heard something. We went there, and then we saw something with a mask. It could have been, what is it?
A killer clown.
A killer.
I forgot the name.
Do you know those hackers? What hack everyone? And these other ones,
Slenderman as well.
psychos, I think they're called. No, why did I just say psycho? PHSCO. Yeah, Pacific. Them. It could have been them, or those hackers, or killer clowns. Yeah, why is killer clowns here? It's past Halloween. I'm sorry, guys. I said I'm gonna do 2 videos on Halloween. Only done 1. But the end of this video, I'm going to show you guys the photo of me just as like something. It's no, it wasn't a killer clown, because in the UK, because of these killer clowns, they're like twats, and then we thingy,
If we dress up as them, we'll just get killed.
no, we'll like, if the police see us dressed as killer clowns, then the police will, yeah, because lots of police went around to see if there's any killer clowns, and this YouTuber called FaZe K, I think he was dressed as a clown, but I don't think he's in the UK, he's like in LA.
I'm
Yeah.
going to do a quick face with one, yeah? Just say that.
Oh, I only got your jacket in. I only got his arm, like that bit. So yeah. Oh, I done that. So, what, are you a lad? Are you a lad? But wait, I'm just gonna tell him something. 1 minute.
No. But she'll probably see it because it's first post.
Yeah. So I don't hit it. So yeah. Should I?
Sure.
Okay. Yeah. I was just telling you something. None of your beeswax. There's lots of footballers. That's why there's lots of people just playing there.
And then, when we saw that, loads of alarms in the
Yeah,
school.
I forgot to tell you.
Dagenham school. Loads of alarms. were
Here in the Dagenham school, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Lots of alarms came on. I nearly just turned around like that. That's how safe I am. I won't show the player's face. Not the players, the person's face. Look, I'll show you guys. Do you want to come there? Just in those gates, just close to that gate.
But I was saying, because I was scared when I got that stuff.
In it?
But then, we heard alarms, yeah. Every single alarms were going off, lights were going off, lights were
Yeah.
going off and on. We were so scared. Me and him we ran into the game system, so we ran straight out.
Well, I don't think they can hear you. Wait, just go. Say it again.
So we heard alarms, the lights were going off and on, yeah.
In this place.
Yeah, in this place, right there. And then we went in there, then people, we saw something, we ran out, and this is why we're making a YouTube video.
Yeah. And I nearly showed your face again. I just went like that. Yeah. So, no, I'm just going to show them the gates and how dark it is. Okay, I'm going to run. He's staying there because he's too scared because we heard something and we went there. So yeah, look. That's how dark it is. Look how dark that is. No. you see that? We saw something walking, man. No, we actually saw something walking. No, hide. No, I'm too scared. I saw something walking. Oh my God. No, it weren't there. It's like in the forest. There's lots of people here, so I'm going to be quiet. There's nothing there. He thought he saw something, but didn't. Can you guys just see that? No way. Look. You should have saw it. No. And we're so lucky that we're safe. No, actually, we're safe because there's lots of people here, and they've got studs on, so they can just go bang. So we're actually safe. But we have to get energy. So if we actually see something and it walks up to us, we have to get so we can run here and tell everyone, and then everyone will just be like kicking it because they have studs on and stuff. Because I hope you guys saw it. No, if we see it, just be quiet. So I don't know if it saw us or anything. No. Oh no, you're so close to getting. No, do you actually want to get in it? Why are you doing that? I nearly showed you, and I was just like that. He's basically around. Can you see that? No, actually. No. Wait. Guys, look. Oh. Can you see that? No. Did you guys just see? Wait, actually hide. No, I'm actually so scared. I don't think it saw us. No, do you know actually killer clowns will be here? Because look how dark it is. How long is this video? Should have been 7 minutes. Huh? Already been 7 minutes. Whoa. Wait, come. Actually, guys, it's so dark that I can't show you guys. So, did you hear the dog bark? No, just... We couldn't go that way. Wait, can you see that? No, actually, can you guys just see that? Guys. The dog's just barking. No. I actually have to say something true. Dogs... What's that? Dogs can see ghosts. That's why they start barking or staring. So if they start staring, because if you're here and they start staring like that, I feel I just showed yourself.
Who cares?
Shall I show you? Could I just show?
Just if it's me on it, just edit it.
I don't think I can, but...
Who cares? Come on.
So you're allowed in the video?
Not really, but yeah. Okay.
So yeah, there he is. The ball just came. The ball! So guys, yeah, booting the ball. I don't know if it was them. I don't know if it was the dogs. By the way, guys, dogs can see.
Me so much.
Dogs can see ghosts. I'm not shotting you. Look. Oh no! It don't matter if you're in the video. Oh, skills. Bye. So yeah. Well, I just need to talk to him seriously because I want to tell him about like if I'm allowed to or not to show him the video. Okay, so guys, we're about to go there. He's okay with it. So guys, we're like... Oh.
there's a balloon.
Oh, there's a balloon. No, guys, there's actually a balloon. No, stop. Guys, that was like a balloon.
I saw someone hold it.
No, it's a clown. Is it?
Yeah, don't run. Get over there.
Where's the ball? Another ball. Oh, they keep on kicking the balls over. That sounds wrong. That just hit the window. That just hit the window. Guys, that ball just hit the window.
Oh God, what's that in there?
What is that?
Oh my.
Guys,
Can you see through that window quickly?
what the heck? What the hell was that? Guys, did you just hear that? No, guys, no, I'm actually so scared. This is a big place.
Stop filming so much.
Yeah, so guys, someone's actually standing there, guys. Someone's actually, no, can you see that?
If you show it quickly. See that person now?
No, wait, I'm gonna get closer. I don't care if it has a knife or anything. I'm gonna punch it in the head.
He's gone.
No, look, actually,
He's invisible.
no, look, actually, look. Can you actually see that?
Okay. See that loud it's filming?
No, actually, look, the gates. Look at those gates. Down there. Is there anything here? Oh, that man just scared me, man. The man just scared me. There's gates right there, and I don't know if you guys can see that.
Oh my God.
You guys can see that, I don't know. But, yeah. What?
Don't you have a video? Can you see that?
No, you keep on hearing that. I'm going to make a part 2, and it's straight after this, because this video's too long. See you guys later. Well, not laters.